Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, we have been given x to the power 4 over y to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 over x to the power 4 to be 623, and we are to find x squared over y squared plus y squared over x squared. This is a question in algebra which needs strong algebraic manipulation. So let's start. Okay. Now, looking at this question carefully, if you try to solve it normally, you'll be into trouble. So we are going to use this identity. Remember, a plus b all squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So when we compare this to that, we can let a to be equal to x squared over y squared, and then b to be y squared over x squared. So let's see how we are going to expand. So therefore, x squared over y squared plus y squared over x squared all squared will be equal to, based on this identity, we square the first term, which is x squared over y squared all squared plus y squared over x squared all squared plus 2 times x squared over y squared times y squared over x squared. Now this will cancel that, this will cancel this one, so that we are going to get, now from indices, a raised to the power m all raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power mn. So you multiply the exponent. So if that is the case, then we are going to have x to the power 4 over y to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 over x to the power 4 plus, we have 2 here. While from the question, x to the power 4 over y to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 over x to the power 4 is given as 623 plus 2. So we now have 625. So therefore, if we want x squared over y squared plus y squared over x squared, then we need to take square root on the right hand side, which will be equal to square root of 625. So x squared over y squared plus y squared over x squared becomes. Thank you very much, viewers, for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Bye for now.